Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Radhakishan Damani's Bright Star Investments has bought 1.5% stake during the Q3 period. Bright Star now holds 18.2 lakh shares in this company. Now friends, this is not our own research. We'll be providing a link to the source for this video in the description section. Please go through it to build more conviction around your investment decision. Also friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join the group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the description of the video. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Camlin Fine Sciences Limited, which is available at rupees 83.65 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is CAMLINFINE. Now Camlin Fine Sciences Limited is engaged in the research, development, manufacture and marketing of fine chemicals which are used as antioxidants, industrial chemicals and aroma products. It caters to the following industries, which are food, pet food and animal nutrition, pharmaceuticals, dyes, biodiesel, petrochemical, agrochemicals, textiles and tanning industries. The company was founded on November 30, 1993 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has also been on a consistent uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here. The market cap of the company is 1014.29 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 2.29 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 36.53, which is slightly more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 33.14. The price to book ratio of 2.51 is also slightly expensive. The company has a high debt to equity of 1.0238, whereas the return on equity for this company is also a depressed number at 0.0738. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is a meager 22.55%. Out of this, 20.93% is pledged. Now the good thing about this company is that it is the world's second largest manufacturer and marketer of food grade antioxidants that are TBHQ and BHA. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.